here we are in Fantasyland. We got Dumbo, Carousel.
Mr. Toad. I want to do Mr. Toad too because I don't have that at Disney World.
Yeah, here Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. We definitely have to ride that because it's not at Disney World. Along with the Alice in Wonderland ride too.
You want to get in line for Mr. Toad?
What do you want to do? Want to do Peter Pan first?
Let's do Peter Pan.
Alright. I'm gonna see if I can get it on camera, but the evil queen comes out. Well, she opens the curtains and peeks out the window. There she is.
Hello. Close down to the square.
So the loading area is right here, and it's not like a continuing moving walkway thing like Disney World. And it was posted at 40. Time is
Basically an hour. 55.
basically an hour. And the bars don't come down by themselves. No pixie dust to bring the bars down. It's Nana.
Come on, everybody, here we go! Cast off for London. Pixie dust.
First
You have to
Disneyland
do the
snack.
dance. You have to do the dance. Better than Disney World? Really?
Yeah.
I did hear that the churros in Disneyland were better. Let me try. Review of Peter Pan Disneyland version. The queue is whack compared to Disney World. Like, we don't go through the house. The queue is all outside. The walkway doesn't move. So, I'm gonna give Disney World's Peter Pan
Wait,
thumbs up.
Big
A
thumbs.
thumbs up. We're in line for Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. It was posted at 30 minutes and the loading area is not too far from us and it's 22 minutes. Look at this little handsome fella. Next on our journey through Fantasyland is Snow White's Enchanted Wish. Posted at a 30-minute wait, and of course this handsome man in front of me is timing it
I
as
say
always.
less than 30.
Oh look, there's like a storybook there. Once upon a time, a kind and lovely princess named Snow White had a wish. But her wish was not meant to be, for the cruel queen, envious of her beauty, commanded she be a humble maid. Banished to a dim chamber for her bedroom, Snow White grew still lovelier each day. As the queen's jealous wrath also grew, Snow White escaped to the wild forest and found refuge with the kindly seven dwarfs. Oh wow, I didn't even notice this. That money looks so real.
He was really cool. It is real.
Is it? Help me, I'm poor. I'm gonna make a wish. Does it count if it's not water?
No. I don't know. Just throw it anyway.
We're almost there. What's the time? And you may be right. I said 22, Ryan said 18. So we'll see. What do I get if I win?
Watch on me.
Are you ready, Paper?
To be sure you arrive safe.
Okay, we're in the Pooh vibes.
I am too.
Yeah, look. It's like we're inside the end of Mine Train. It smells good.
It does.
Now to take care of Snow White.
Hi-ho, hi-ho, get off my we go.
Magic mirror on the wall. Its disguise are to them all. A special death snows like
We're having lunch at the, what's this place called? The Red Roast Tavern. Ryan got some pizza and accidentally ordered 2 chicken tenders and fries. YOLO! And of course, this is all I eat. I've been dying for Disney fries forever. Guess where we're going? Where we going? Where we going? Where we going?
The wildest ride in the wilderness.
Big Thunder Mountain Railroad post at 35 minutes. For anybody familiar with Disneyland, Liberty Bell, or whatever you want to call it, Mark Twain, whatever, I call it the Liberty Bell, is here. We're in line here for Big Thunder, and the entrance to the queue is all the way over there.
Still the ride? Or
Here was the entrance to the ride. Still post at 35 minutes. Have you started timing it?
Of course I did.
Oh. All right.
Waiting for the 3 to turn.
I'm going to say that it's a 50-minute wait.
I'm going to say it is dead on accurate. 32 minutes.
Row 4, how whack. How whack.
But 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Post at 35. I said 50.
You did. I said
did.
32.
Sign the train and be sure to watch your kids.
If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses,
Sorry. The wildest ride in the wilderness.
just came off Big Thunder, and we are heading into Galaxy's Edge. Our boarding group hasn't been called yet. I don't think I even told you guys that we got a boarding group. We didn't even know that we got one.
We thought we didn't, but we did.
Yeah, we tried to join 12 o'clock, and it was like, you're already in one. And we were like, are we?
I thought I messed up this morning, but I guess I didn't.
We're entering Galaxy's Edge now just to hang out until our boarding group is called. And then it's Rise of Resistance time. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So for Disneyland, they have this barcode up top that you have to scan instead of the magic band, since Disneyland doesn't have any magic bands, and that's how they check you in for your boarding group.
How are we doing today? Doing good. How are you? You finally made it.
I
Thank
know.
you for joining the cause, and congratulations to both of you.
Thank you.
Very much.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, Nyla. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vacara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. Go check it out. BB-8, what do you got? Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to strike him below.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw him away.
Copy that. Give us clear so we can make the jump.
All of us
vessel TR-141. Identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
Bill
By the
Weasley.
authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake.
Civilians continue to the holding area through the corridor to the right. You will not be permitted to stay here in the hangar bay.
Disney World's already better.
Prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in Section 1-3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
If anyone's back in a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Oh, they're actually moving.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandoned ship. I repeat, abandoned ship. Destroyers about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
It's drop time. What? It's drop time.
Yes.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
We're off Rise of Resistance, and I got picked on because I was making snaps. So then I got called in front, and I had to stand there until...
Perform for the class.
Yes, pretty much. The guy was like, "Is that our dance? We have to use the bathroom?" And I was like, "I already went. I went before. I made sure." And now we are heading back into Frontierland to get in line for Splash Mountain. And here is Splash Mountain at a 75-minute wait. I don't know where the end of the line is. Clearly that's the line there. I just don't know where the end is.
It was awesome.
Oh my God, Winnie the Pooh was here too? Winnie the Pooh's not in Fantasyland? What is this madness? Am I bugging, or does that look steeper than Disney World? 36 minutes. And the loading area is like right down there.
Say 48.
48?
I'm saying 75. Definitely not.
No. Last row. I had no seatbelt. I had no nothing. No nothing. Nothing but my dignity. Everybody waves over there.
Great. That's all.
What?
That's all. It'll be over quickly. Oh, here we go. Why did we agree? Okay. My bag? That's alright. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. It doesn't be worse.
Yeah, I was expecting worse. I'm good.
Okay, we're good.
Is everybody else good? Yeah.
We made it.
We made